In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can watch videos from a USB here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, plug in your USB. Just make sure it's plugged into that PS5 and then the video file is already saved on that USB beforehand. And make sure, of course, that you're not inside of a game. And go back to your PS5 home screen and you're going to need to open up an app. This is going to be the media gallery and you can open this up directly from your home screen just by going over to this media tab right here. And then, of course, you will see the media gallery on here. If you don't see it in this section, just scroll back over to games and then scroll all the way over and it's going to look like a little picture camera right here. Select this, open it up, and this is going to have an option on here with a USB section. Essentially select any of those videos, hit play, and then of course you will see that video from that USB. Now if you plugged in your USB and you don't see the file right away, go ahead and use this sort and filter button right here, select it, and then of course go ahead and change it to new to old, which will show the most recent files first. You can also sort by file size if needed, and in some cases there will also be a separate USB tab up at the very top where mine says all favorites, trophies, and albums that you could check as well. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.